How to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Discord application on your device. So you can just go to the Play Store application and search for Discord. So as you can see, I have an updated version of the application. So I'm going to go back and I'm just going to long press on Discord, then tap on App Info. After that, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on clear data, and if it's possible, you can delete all data as well. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on this option of files and media for your microphone, for your contacts, and for your camera as well, and your problem will be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.